Another one on the little mini buzz bait. I do have a fish. What the heck? Is that a good one? It's gotta be a good fish, or he's tangled up in reeds or something. Where's he at, dude? Where the heck is this fish at? Oh my. Hello. There we go. Another one on the little mini buzz bait. About the same. He's got something weird going on with his gill or something. Fish in this pond feel 10 times bigger than they are.